Console charging storage solutions keep devices charged and hidden while preserving surface space in small homes. Choose a console with a ventilated charging drawer sized to fit phones and tablets, and place a power strip with built-in surge protection inside to protect devices and provide multiple outlets. Mount a shallow sliding shelf for a router or modem that pulls out for access and routes cables through grommets to keep airflow and signal performance intact. Add a pull-out tray for peripheral items like external hard drives and chargers so you can access cords without removing everything from the drawer. Use a soft close mechanism on the drawer to prevent jarring that can loosen plugs and damage connectors over time. Label each cable end with simple tags so you can swap devices quickly and avoid unplugging the wrong item. Position the console near an exterior wall outlet to minimize long extension cords and to allow the router shelf to maintain optimal placement for wireless coverage. Common problems include overheating inside a closed drawer, which you prevent by choosing ventilation slots or perforated panels and by keeping higher heat devices out of the enclosed space. Another issue is tangled cables and hard-to-access plugs. The fix is to install short, right-angle power cords, use a small adhesive cable clip for each cable route, and keep a dedicated pull-out tray for quick swaps. A third concern is signal interference from metal hardware or poor router placement. Resolve this by placing the router on the sliding shelf with a clear front-facing opening and using non-metallic drawer liners or spacing panels between electronics and metal contacts. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors and find product ideas for integrated console charging storage that suit small homes. And our community discussion boards let users trade setup tips and pictures. We also help contractors connect with potential clients and participate in conversations so they can share solutions and learn what homeowners want.